Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got a required monthly test.
City authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey, effective until January 18, 2011, 58 AM Eastern Standard Time. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, thanks for watching.